Hey, what's up, everybody? This is the third video in this playlist, How to Make Money on YouTube. It is the second video giving an update on my progress towards monetizing the YouTube channel that I have. Recently, in my videos, if you've seen any of them, I've been using a virtual background. I want to get away from that, but we recently moved, and as you can see, my office is just a plain white wall back there, but maybe as we build out the bookshelf and it looks a little more compelling in here, I'll stop using the virtual background and go back to using a normal background or what my real office looks like. The last time I walked through, where my channel was at was just over 2 years ago. And so I'm going to give an update here again. I didn't think it would take this long to do this, but let's walk through. I'm going to share the screen and walk through kind of where the channel is right now. So this is the dashboard to my YouTube channel, the studio here. And as you can see, I'm at 756 subscribers. So I've not made it to 1,000 yet. 1,000 is the minimum number of subscribers you have to get to before you can monetize your YouTube channel. You also have to get to 4,000 watch hours as well within the last 12 months. So I will show you the page where it lets you know how close you are to that goal. But just over 2 years ago, it was like 2 years and a couple of days, I was at 300 and some subscribers. And so you can see we've more than doubled that. This is definitely the slow and steady wins the race, or perhaps doesn't win the race. I don't think there's a race even to win. But all that to say is I'm not trying to become famous overnight on YouTube. I've simply just been posting as I have ideas for videos in order to help people through those videos and making progress. I have not stalled. I have not gone backwards, but I certainly have not exploded or gone viral. It's simply just slow and steady progress, creeping my way up to 1,000 subscribers. If I go to the Earn tab, you can see that it shows I did make it to where I was able to have the community page, I think is what they call it. And that was once you hit the 500 subscriber mark. So that was kind of a cool milestone to hit. You can see here that in order to monetize the channel, I do still need, 200 and what's that, 44 more subscribers and 2,000 and some more watch hours, almost 2,100 more watch hours within a 365-day period. So the subscribers have continued to steadily climb. The watch hours have not quite kept pace with that. Early on, they were keeping pretty steady pace with that. But I think a big piece of that is just I haven't been creating a lot of new content lately until just recently, actually this week, that I was posting regularly. So still have my subscribers, but there wasn't anything new for them to watch. So the watch hours have dropped off. So I need to pick up the posting of new videos, new content to help get those watch hours back up. If I jump over to the analytics screen, we'll take a look at, what's kind of been going on the last 28 days. Nothing too exciting, hovering steady, in that 40, 18, 40, 50 watch. There was this spike here, the video, you should stop saving for retirement. I think that title actually caught a few people's attentions and it popped up the next day. Quite a few people watched that video, why I said you should stop saving for retirement. So I go to the last 365 days. What's been pretty typical for me is a spike in activity between February and April, since I do a lot of tax videos, and that stayed consistent this year. And then we had a big pop on April 17th, today, right before tax day. This year, tax day was April 18th. And so a lot of people searching for tax topics there right before the deadline. And then it kind of popped back down. So if you look at lifetime, you can see that actually you can't really see anything there. But what's happened is it's been peaking in the tax season periods and then going back down, but overall consistently growing. Then if we look at the last year, you can see which videos are your top videos. And these top videos have been my top videos ever since I posted them, really. The number one, tax mistake pastors and clergy make. I do a lot of clergy taxes. That has been up there in the top 3 consistently ever since I posted it in 2020. Is my college student a dependent on my tax return? That is a recent post. You can see I posted that in October of 2022, and it is already up there at number 2. Passing, is your side hustle a business or a hobby for taxes? And that one was number 2, number 1 for a long time. A lot of people searching side hustle, I think, A lot of people searching how to make money outside of their regular job. And so that particular video has stayed pretty high consistently. The next two that are also over 2,000 watches is, MHA, Minister's Housing Allowance. Again, a lot of clergy people find me through YouTube, and it is one of the focuses of my tax practice. And then, of course, I can't pay my taxes. What do I do? That one pops up every year right around tax day. People searching, I don't know how to pay my taxes. I can't pay my taxes. What should I do? And so, they fill out their tax return, they owe taxes, and then they scramble because they're lost and don't know how to pay it. So that one pops every year right around the tax day and is a pretty popular video. So there's a brief update for any of you out there who care about the channel. But yeah, just a way for me to document kind of the growth over the years. And one day I know I am going to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, and I will make it to that 4,000 watch hours as well. So my channel will be monetized at that point. I'll probably make a few cents a month off of it. But it's more just the fact of reaching that goal and saying that I'm able to make some money off of YouTube at this point. Like I said, I don't really want to quit my day job in order to be a YouTube star, or, go sit on the beach just raking in money from past videos, though I wouldn't be opposed to that. That's not really my goal here, but looking forward to actually getting to that level and being able to say, I can make some money off of YouTube, and I reached the 1,000 subscriber mark and was able to monetize the channel. Thank you all for being subscribers. I appreciate it. Please like and share the videos. Certainly the tax ones and the personal finance ones, those are the ones that are really here to help people out. And so I'm appreciative when you share those. I look forward to helping you with future videos like that. So thanks for watching.